Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This video is must try essential oil hacks for healthier living. There are so many ways to use essential oils, and I'm not saying you have to use these every day. It's all about balance and your intention, but swapping out some habits for some of these will be, I promise you, really beneficial in the long run. Before we get started though, two things. There's a blog post that goes with this video, so make sure you head there. I'm gonna skim or just fly through these, and then more info and links and everything will be in the blog post. And two, I just relaunched my Etsy shop and I'm very excited. I spent a lot of time making it look cute, but also just having some really great aromatherapy tools for you guys to help you when you're using essential oils and being more effective with them. There's guides like hormones and allergies and pets, but there's also a new journal and a new planner. So those are really helpful, and you can print them or you can use them digitally on your iPad, which I really like doing. So let me know what you think and what I should add to the Etsy shop, and let's get started. Number one is energize your mornings with a citrus boost. There's nothing like waking up to a citrus aroma. I love oranges in the morning. That is one of the main reasons, is because of the aroma. Also just super uplifting. Citrus oils are the freshest oils on the planet. So put some citrus in your diffuser, make a citrus roll-on for right when you wake up in the morning. I just saw Young Living has a new diffuser out and I really want to get it, even though I don't use Young Living anymore. But it's the diffuser where you can put in, I don't know if it's a blend or a single essential oil, but it's a smart diffuser, so you can time it on the app, like 8 a.m. diffuse this essential oil. And I'm like, that is genius. That is something that is new, innovative, I have not seen, and I really want that, because how great would it be for your alarm to go off with your essential oil diffuser, so you're waking up to your alarm, but also orange is pumping in your room. That's great. So I want another brand to make one of those so that I can get one. I'm sure Young Living's is very expensive. Anyways, number two, natural air freshener with essential oils. In this blog post, I have a recipe for spring, summer, fall, and citrus and winter. So all the seasons, I have a blend to make like air freshener. You can make in a 16-ounce spray bottle, just make a spray, or these can be recipes used in your diffuser as well, but they're kind of just seasonal, and spraying or making your own sprays and diffusing is just so much better than using Febreze and Glade and all of those brands. Number three is DIY immune boosting roller blend. So there are so many different blends that are for immune boost or whatever it may be, basically fighting germs. This is Immunity Boost by Revive, but most brands have their own blend. But look for oils like clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, even tea tree. A lot of those powerful antimicrobial, super powerful oils are going to help both apply topically and diffusing to help fight the germs. There are so many more, it feels like, during the season, so we use these regularly during fall and winter. Number four is to improve your sleep with a calming blend, and there are hundreds, maybe, I don't know, 100 essential oils that you can use for helping your sleep. Lavender, Roman chamomile, vetiver, cedarwood, those are some of my favorites. See what you like. What works for you is going to be different for what works for someone else, so make sure you try out a few different ones in your diffuser. Diffuse for 30 minutes before bed. Create that relaxing environment. Sleep is super powerful. Another thing we just started doing for sleep is making the tart cherry juice mocktail. I add my magnesium powder to mine, but you can make it however you want. But there are studies done on how that can promote restful sleep as well, so we've all been doing that this week. Number five is all natural cleaner. We switched from the Lysol and even, what was the other brand? Method, I think, was the main brand we used to use, but those all have fragrance and ingredients we really don't need, so we use the Revive multi-purpose cleaning concentrate. It's just like the Thieves one, but any natural cleaning concentrate. Actually, we have two different ones, and I can't think of the name of the other one. It's Purity, or I will link it in the blog post, but there's tons. You don't have to use one or the other, but just make sure you're using something natural, and then you can also boost the power of your natural cleaning supplies or products with essential oils like tea tree or lemon or even orange. Number six is, first of all, work out regularly. It's super hard to create a routine, but I have perfected mine in that it's not perfect and I can change it. But my goal is to go to the gym 3 to 5 times a week, and it doesn't mean doing a hard workout for 45 minutes. It's just doing something from a walk to Pilates to HIIT, and really what has been successful for me is mixing it up. I used to go to Pilates 3 times a week for almost a year, and I was like getting stronger but wasn't seeing or feeling the results that I wanted. And so mixing it up is super important, and also cycle syncing like your workouts as well. So I have an app, I think it's called Lively, but it kind of tells me which workouts are good for each day. So first thing is creating a workout plan that works for you. And the second part of number 6 is to soothe your sore muscles with essential oil massage. This is super beneficial. I also love CBD for this, but essential oils that are helpful that I like using are peppermint and copaiba, and there's a recipe, or you can just put a couple of, squirt some almond or jojoba oil or coconut oil into your palm and add a couple of drops of each of those essential oils and just do a massage that way too if you don't want to make a whole bottle. But those 2 essential oils are super powerful. Number 7 is clear skin with tea tree oil. So there are so many skincare regimens on the market. There's so many different DIY products. There is an endless supply, right? So this tip is very simple, and it's just using tea tree on blemishes. I am a big advocate for simplifying your skincare routine. I have a cleanser, a couple of serums that I like a hyaluronic acid and a retinol serum, and then I have a good moisturizer. And then on top of that, I can add in essential oils that I need based on what I need during that week or that day. So tea tree is just super powerful essential oil for blemishes, and that is just the simple tip. But the biggest thing is making sure you're not using products that have artificial fragrance or ingredients that you just don't need. I like simple, minimal products and the ingredients list too. 8 is boost your concentration or focus with essential oils. This has been a hot topic for this channel. I don't know why lately, but I've just needed my focus essential oils, and I like an inhaler, I think probably the most, just because it's so easy and it's right here. And I've probably filled this 7 to 10 days ago and it's still going strong. So it's low maintenance and it works. This one has lavender, vetiver, chamomile, and frankincense. So a power duo. What's the word for 4? The power 4, core 4. Anyways, I don't know what I'm trying to say. 4 essential oils that are really great for helping me settle down and reduce my stress and also focus. You can also diffuse these essential oils. I have an entire blog post actually on this topic. So if you want a variety of other different blends, that will be in that blog post. Number 9 is refresh your towels and laundry with essential oils. This is another one where you should not be using toxic laundry products anymore. There are way too many good ones, like too many, guys. So ditch your Tide, ditch all of your artificially scented laundry products because that's clinging to your skin. They also have like optical brighteners and optical whatever ingredients that stay on the clothes to make them look a certain way that also stay or are on your skin all day. And so stop using the toxic laundry products. We use the Revive laundry soap, fabric softener, and the Boost. So it's like a powder that is just like a brightening and cleaning power boost, stain boost, whatever. And it works great. All of our clothes are clean and fresh feeling without having all of those toxic products, ingredients lingering on your skin all day. You can also add essential oils to your laundry soap or to a homemade dryer sheet, or my words are gone from my brain, wool dryer ball. But just make sure you Google first your flash point of the essential oil you want to use, because some essential oils have lower flash points, and so putting them in the dryer could spark. Hasn't ever happened to us, but it's just something to think about. And then number 10 is enhance your yoga and meditation, or whatever, maybe your workout too. Enhancing it with mindfulness with essential oils like cedarwood, sandalwood. Frankincense is like king of this type of essential oil, but there's a lot of grounding essential oils that, again, diffusing, using as an inhaler. I like rolling on for this too, making a roller, or if you just want to have a bottle of frankincense near your yoga mat and just take a few deep breaths straight from the bottle, that's really effective too. But they can really enhance these practices, and so that's why it's number 10 on the list. So I think that's it. I feel like this video is even longer than I wanted it to be, but go to the blog post, check out the rest of the tips and links and recipes, and also make sure you check out my Etsy shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.